Hey everybody, welcome to the next commentary playing bot lane Kai'Sa because I've played so much Kai'Sa recently. I feel like I don't know, it's just fun playing AP Kai'Sa wherever you get autofilled if you get autofilled bot lane now. So rather than playing Jhin, I suppose. To be honest, we have good poke comp. I mean, okay, it's only Zoe, but it's Zoe and me, but still, I mean, couldn't be that bad. Oh, grab him! Oh, well, we got his flash though. Now, playing mid lane versus bot lane, like, I will be down a lot of experience because that's just how bot lane works. I'm sharing experience with Nautilus. I will say that their champions, honestly, don't really scare me. I feel confident that I'm not going to get hit by a Morgana binding. I really don't think that's going to happen. And then Zeri's just not a champion that normally feels like she's very punishing. So I think we should just... we'll be fine. We'll just farm out, and we'll outscale Zeri. Honestly, the biggest threat is Evelynn. So I hope Lee Sin, like, I don't know, like, puts her behind or something. I hate playing versus Eve, bro. Evelynn's so annoying. Phil is 100 to 0 me with, like, literally no counterplay where I just, if I flash away, her E follows you. I normally will die before I even flash anyways, so... Sorry, I didn't know if you were going to help me with those, so I just decided to take them all. Nice, we only missed one CS. I mean, the melees were kind of messed up there, so I had to use my Q to get them, but it all worked out. Oh, I actually got hit by a Zeri hit. Okay, well, I mean, we got a little bit of harass back, right? Sort of black shield, bro. Ooh, Jesus Christ, bro, you were playing aggressive. He thinks that we should dive there? They definitely know. They definitely know. Okay, we got it. Just harassing, helping our Lee Sin. It's one of those types of games. Anything to make Morgana fall behind, you know? Zeri actually has no flash, by the way. I don't know if that matters, but... You... probably could have just ran, but... just whatever. No way! That minion... oh, she's still dead. Nice. No, it's not even a flash mistake. It's the mistake of the minion being there. Or, like, me hitting the minion. Because she actually had 4 stacks on her. My W would proc my passive. And this also hits like a truck. Even early game, Kai'Sa, like, W hits really hard. Dude, I could not believe that actually... the minion, dude. I don't even know where the minion came from. Just was there. Nice. Guy's Berserker Greaves. Where did Zeri go? Did she really just base? Her wave is so bad. Welcome back to lane. I guess I can just kind of keep it frozen somewhat. It's a pretty good spot. It really is. Morgana's actually trying to help Zeri shove out by spamming the W on the wave, but I feel like she's just missing a lot of CS. Like, I'm actually really far ahead right now. Ooh. Nice try, I guess. Well, my W takes down the whole entire black shield, by the way. So... Okay, the black shield is gone. I could heal here still. I wish I got that kill, but that's whatever. You're just dead to creeps, aren't you? I could have actually healed Lee Sin, I think. But I didn't want to accidentally heal it. I think that me using it late after Lee Sin dies is not bad to at least keep them somewhat interested and think that they could kill me. But I could have maybe healed him. I mean, he was kind of far away. And also, I've played a lot of Kai'Sa, and I'm pretty sure mentally... Like, I've played it way more mid than bot. And mentally, I'm very used to using Ignite. So, I have an excuse, like, oh, I thought I had Ignite this game, you know, because that's what I normally have. Nice, she's just dead, dude. I didn't even get an assist, but, like, I don't know why she's even trying to stop us like this. To be honest, this game is, like, I'm, like, 3 wins from Challenger on this account. My other account's Challenger. This account is, like, extremely close. It doesn't feel like Challenger games. The games feel so bad, man. They actually really do. Like this. Like, I don't even understand the decision-making of her trying to stop us there, to the point that, like, listen, I can understand trying to stop us where you're not going to put yourself in danger of getting hit by a Nautilus Q. But if you're literally putting yourself in danger of getting hit by Nautilus Q, then you're obviously way too far up. I got her with W. I don't know how we're supposed to get this guy. Okay, cool. That works. The thing is that, like, if I started diving, she has Morgana Q, and also she could have spell shielded that and survived. Just putting it out there, she didn't use it. There has been a lot of bot lane fights, though, by the way. Like, I've been part of 9 kills out of 12. Like, mid lane's been part of 5, this guy's been part of 9. Like, gosh, all the fighting has been bot this game. I'm so rich. I'm actually so rich. I guess I could do something like that, huh? Wait, that's not Q Evolve? Oh, because I didn't buy a longsword. Oh, the longsword wouldn't have given it to me, though. A longsword would have put me at 94 out of 100, so that wouldn't have even done it anyways, so it's whatever. Please don't dive me. They have stopwatch, so it's very easy for Morgana to just go under tower, hit me with something to CC me, and then just stopwatch to survive. I'm gonna try to wave clear a little bit, so at least if, like, I do get dove, maybe I can clear the wave before they arrive. I don't know where Morgana is, but I'm assuming she's roaming, but there's a chance she's still here. Small chance. I'm not actually gonna fight you, dude. I know that I'm really strong and stuff, but show your support and I'll be interested in fighting you. Tell me where she is, bro. Please, where is she actually? Why did that minion have to move there? Hello, Nautilus. Welcome back. Okay, so she was somewhere inside of our red side jungle. Maybe sitting in try, waiting for me to shove out. Possibly. I guess I just have to flash here. I was hoping Nautilus would maybe be able to block the Q for me, but he was kind of committed to getting that pink ward and try there. I don't think he saw that I was getting charmed. I like how Annie has not been part of anything, but Zoe's for now. But why are we scared? What are we scared of, Mr. Nautilus? We see where the Evelynn is now. Now we finally see. I'm so dead, dude. Like, I literally am unable to move. She got level 6 in the middle of the fight, and also I don't know how my ultimate didn't bring me out of the Morgana tether range. Although that skin, maybe it has that, like, weird thing for it. My bad, Nautilus. I really thought that we could maybe win a fight there, but I guess we just can't. Like, I was CC'd forever, so, I mean, that's my excuse. Anyways, W evolve, that's when we're online anyways, right? It doesn't really matter if we're losing early game. Also, if I had evolved Q, I would have killed Kai'Sa, or not Kai'Sa there, the Zeri, easily, because you saw how low she was at the very end when I just pressed my Q, and that was it. Man, I am so excited to maybe just die to Evelynn, so I guess we just don't do anything again. I had free time, so I just decided to do golems because it's too risky to step up without knowing where Eve is. I'm getting really close to getting the W evolve. Or not W evolve, Q. Well, both, I guess, but I have to buy it for one of them, so. It's a decent little chunk there. Where is Morgana, dude? She also has Mobies, which is also terrifying because she actually can just run you down. Like, actually, where is she, bro? She really be just sitting inside that brush the entire time. If we do fully commit on Morgana, who's squishy, she does have a stopwatch. So I hope Nautilus realizes that if he does look for a hook. Shut down. I don't think we're gonna be able to achieve anything here. Like on the Morgana. The Darius is pushing up so far that he's just a free kill. He shouldn't be pushing up that far. When me and Morgana are in river. Me and Morgana, me and Nautilus. Mess up champions' names all the time, bro. Got him with the W. Got her with the Q here. Where was Morgana Black Shield during that time when she got Zoe bubbled? Did she use it earlier or something? Not really sure. Anyways, this game seems really over for them. We have to throw a lot to make it so we lose this game, I would say. Dude, my W actually chunks pretty damn hard, even though I'm like... I haven't even finished my W evolve, nor am I done with like some important items to make it so it's even stronger. Alright, we got it. Very nice. Yes, my Kai'Sa boots unleveled up. I have not evolved my boots yet. I mean, now we just fish. We go fishing. Spam W. Okay. Nice, nice. I don't have my W, but oh well. I want the kill, actually. Am I not even gonna get an assist? She Zhonya'd my Q. Dude, what the heck? By the way, she didn't even have a full Zhonya's yet. Whatever, she'll probably buy it now. There was an Annie behind us. You know, like, when she was pushing out bot lane. I wonder if she would just reset or if she's actually committing. Because she could look for a flash play. I mean, I do have heal, so it probably isn't going to work. I think I can actually live through it because she doesn't have Ignite. But I don't know. Oh, W missed. I have enough for a Sork boot, so I kind of just want to buy. Just kidding about buying. Right? We have Riven here, no? I hit somebody. Well, this is a pretty good W spam moment here. Oh. I didn't want to get that last auto on me because I feel like it would have hit so hard because Darius gets bonus attack damage when he has full stacks, and he did. No, my W, bro. Oh, never mind. Zoe got him. It's actually crazy how, like, it says that it's only 400 damage, but it... I don't know. It feels like it's so much more. Maybe because of Luden's plus just Mermana damage? I mean, this only deals 72 more. I don't know, man. I don't know why it deals so much. Holy shit. Evelyn is like up here. this is just a one fight, like... Where is Eve? Eve's gonna go for me. I mean, I have ultimate. Oh. Is she not even gonna try bothering to steal this? Huh. Alright. Well played, Riven. They double killed bot lane, Darius and Evelynn. I mean, everybody's so fed. The game should just be over. They should just FF at this point. They're way too far behind. W miss. Sad. Well, GG. Our team comp is just, I guess, better. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Kai'Sa commentary. You can definitely play your bot lane rather than mid if you really want to. AP Kai'Sa is good everywhere. It's just mid lane. You get solo lane experience, so it's just as easier to level stuff up sooner and also get to level 13 of your W. You know, make it so you have level 5 W at level 13. So regardless, hopefully it was enjoyable to watch. And if it was, drop a like in the video. And I will see you guys next time.